Dancing in the operating room. This video shows Dr. Windell Boutte, a board-certified dermatologist, dancing while patients, in many cases, were unconscious. CBS 46 has learned her actions and several malpractice settlements have cost her medical license. CBS 46 investigator Karen Greer sat down with the doctor for a revealing interview.
Well, Tracy and Vince, Dr. Boutte came to our studios yesterday, eager to give her side of this story. No questions were off limits. This metro area dermatologist seen dancing in her Lilburn operating room while patients were in some cases still under anesthesia, wanted to plead her case and agreed to sit down with me just hours before the state medical board suspended her medical license.
An unpredictable, unfortunate, unpreventable event 2.5 years ago changed my life.
Boutte says her life has been forever changed by the surgery she performed in February of 2016, where 54-year-old Eclema Cornelius suffered a severe and debilitating catastrophic brain injury. Cornelius now relies on a feeding tube and around-the-clock care.
Under HIPAA guidelines, my hands are tied. I can't.
Any complications can you talk about?
Under HIPAA guidelines, patient confidentiality.
Is there anything you would do differently about that surgery?
When you ask, would I go back and do anything differently? No, because it was something unforeseen and unpreventable. I wouldn't. No human being could have foreseen.
Why was the decision made to do those kinds of things to help you practice?
So as part of the contest, patients would choose a song or they would want me to choose it, and it was always pre-consented and pre-discussed, and when at a safe interval, mostly 99% after the surgery, in recovery, once the skin is, if there's sutures to be sewn and cleaned and, and dressed in a certain way, then and only then would the 30 to 60 second video be shot.
Is there any patient that did not give consent that you did a video for?
No, not at all.
Despite Georgia's law that really doesn't stipulate who can perform plastic surgery, who can perform brain surgery. Do you feel you personally have had enough training to do Brazilian butt lifts, tummy tucks, things of that nature that are very severe?
I can say emphatically yes. My experience with dermatological and skin surgery is intense, it's comprehensive, it's vast, and I think it's the best experience that anybody could ask for.
CBS 46 has obtained the suspension from the state medical board filed today, which reads in part, the board finds respondents' continued practice of medicine poses a threat to the public, health, safety, and welfare, and imperatively requires emergency action, and hereby orders that respondents licensed to practice medicine in the state of Georgia be and is hereby summarily suspended. Now, after that was filed, I called to get Dr. Boutte's response to today's suspension and was told she, of course, cannot comment on the matter. To date, we have found 4 medical malpractice settlements for the past year, totaling nearly $3 million. Vince?